Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to add a bio or about section on LinkedIn. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to your LinkedIn, open the app, and after that, click on your picture on the top left of the screen. And after that, click on your name. And after that, as you can see, there is an option called Add Section. You have just to click on Add Section. And after that, as you can see, you will have multiple options and things that you can add to your profile. So for example, if you want to add about section, you have just to click on Add About. And here you can type whatever things you want on your about section and add the skills that you want to link them also to your about sections. And after that, click on save. And like that, the about section of you was updated and was added to your profile. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and